Okay, let's say we have defined here a function like this, in which we're passing this variable val as any. Now, inside this function, we can do anything with this variable here, and TypeScript will not complain. So we can call an string method, for example, val call to uppercase method, and we can do a numerical operation, for example, val plus 20, and we can also call an unknown method, for example, something. Now, if we try to call this function here with a number, let's say 5, even though that TypeScript is not complaining here, when we run this code in the browser, well, JavaScript is going to break because TypeScript method doesn't exist on the number type, and also the something method doesn't exist on the number type. However, let me give you an example that shows us TypeScript is a powerful tool. We can define here this variable as unknown. And well, don't look at this error for now, since we can avoid them by defining a type guard for these cases defined. Our simple type guard will be checking here that the incoming variable val should be a string. Open curly braces and move this code from here and put it inside this block here. And that's the way like this we can avoid to show an error for the to uppercase method here. So now for the numerical operation, we can't still do anything else so far because we need to wrap this variable and call as number in order to be considered this variable as number. So either we can specify a type guard here, or we can put as and then the type to be considered with. And for the third case here, something method doesn't exist, so we need to add a new type above here, called, for example, some, and something is an error function that returns a void. And then we can specify it here by wrapping this variable with brackets and call as some. And now we're calling the something method properly here.